In all this year we have a problem with the gearbox, but something make me very safe is everyone a J-prop, because with the J-prop is the only feathering propeller you can adjust underwater without tools. And you can inverse the pitch. If, for example, if our propeller be blocked in reverse in one maneuver and never go back in forward, we can always jump on the water, inverse the pitch by hand, and put the gear in reverse and go forward and reach the next spot.
Last year, we received a special Christmas present. During a trip back to Italy, we had a dream come true when we brought home a J-prop feathering propeller. As many of you following our journey know, we had already experienced issues with our gearbox, and this new propeller added an extra layer of safety, increasing our chances of reaching a boatyard for haul-out in case our gearbox got stuck in forward or reverse. We were fortunate to visit this high-quality family-run company with a long history in marine engineering. They gave us a tour of their workshop where they build the propellers and personally trained us on how to install and maintain our new propeller.
Okay, and the system the same line. What for the same cargo system. And this is the model of the shaft with the gear. Comunque per me grazie, anche la mia amica. Wow, ciao, sto partendo. Prendo adesso da te, mi mandi le tue.
Now that we're out of the water, we thought we'd take this opportunity to explain in more detail this unique feature of this special propeller.
For me, J-prop is the best feathering propeller on the market. I'm very happy to have one, and now we're making shining again. Still not perfect clean, but our propeller, we are very proud because I dream to have one propeller so nice, because with one system you can adjust the pitch underwater just to move like this. It's amazing. Now, for example, from one pitch very not perpendicular, we can go to one pitch completely perpendicular like this, and now we go to have one pitch flat. You see, I can change the pitch with a 1 second movement, and the pitch change flat. Now there is no pitch.
Wow.
I put them in 0. After I put our pitch, okay, is 8.1, and this is our pitch. Because J-prop is the only prop, okay, if the gearbox broke, it stay all time in reverse. How can we save our boat for go forward with the engine? You jump on the water, you put the blade flat, and you inverse the pitch. From the pitch in the starboard side of the pitch, we can put in the opposite one, and now we can go in forward with the opposite gear. And that is something in all year make me very safe, because now is in forward when turn in anti-clockwise, but if I jump on the water and I want to have a forward in clockwise, I put again in the opposite side and going forward in clockwise.
Oh, wow.
Clockwise, forward, okay, I want to have a forward with the reverse, and now is a forward like this in anti-clockwise.
Cool.
Just with no tools, with no screwdriver, with no, and this system is a safe with the spring. Up to when you have a normal engine for cruiser boat, you don't need to put the screw. If you have one big engine, the same propeller is a suggested from a J-prop to adjust the pitch, find the correct pitch for your engine, like this you reach the maximum revolution of the engine, and after you put in the back of this last ring, there is one screw, you put two screws and you block the spring system. For me, is the best feathering propeller on the world. And now we putting back my pitch, que is 8 and 1 line, tack, and this is my pitch. Reverse and forward.
Nice. Great. Thank you, J-prop.
Thank you, Fabio, our good friend.
If you want to know more, feel free to get in contact with us or directly with Marine Propeller. I'll put the link in the description.
Hai visto che belle propelle?
Io metto a posto le liche di 30 anni.
Sì.